Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to touch on Uniswap and as well as Nexus Mutual. Of course, we're going to talk about Kraken, right? Kraken got the banking license. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. For my Patreon member, you can check out my a recent video about COVID-19 vaccine. Also, must know indicator before you should start trading, and as well as which gold and silver coin has high resale value. And of course, there's a next Tezos. If you miss the Tezos token, there's another token similar to Tezos in terms of growth potential. Also, the next chain link as well. If you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. And let's talk about the Uniswap. So Uniswap token launched last night, and it clouding up the Ethereum blockchain. And almost 1 million in minus fee was spent on Ethereum in less than 1 hour, and a record high transaction fee. And right now, in terms of the Ethereum gas price, let's look at that. 394 Gwei, this is pretty expensive. Like, I think on Tuesday, it's only 99 Gwei. Right now, it's like 394 Gwei. That is outrageously expensive. And so Uniswap token launch, and of course everybody want a piece of Uniswap. This is one of the most valuable project in the DeFi space, and basically the miners fee reach about $900,000 in less than an hour, and the transaction fee increased over 152%. And then Uniswap account for 35% of the total gas consumption in the past 24 hours, pushing the gas price as high as 700 Gwei. That is insane. And you can see all this the hourly transaction fee has been spiking up like crazy. This is crazy. And then you can see Ethereum increased over 152%, jumping from $2 on September 16 to $5. I don't know. This is insane. I mean, the thing is like this thing, like 2017, you have CryptoKitty. Remember back then, this the CryptoKitty basically clouding up the Ethereum network. Right now, 2020, instead of scalability, I think Ethereum need to be really improved. Need to improve in terms of the scalability, and also the gas price is outrageously expensive. And I think the scalability definitely need to improve. To be honest with you, because I mean, if you want to be scalable, and there will be a lot more project coming on board to the Ethereum, right? Everybody want to jumping on the DeFi decentralized finance platform, but the thing, if your gas price is so expensive, if your network is clouding up, I don't think it's a good idea for Ethereum. Scalability is very important, but it looks like the same issues just in 2017 CryptoKitty fiasco. And 35% of the total gas consumed on the network, mostly on the one of the largest gas consumer on the Ethereum network. They have Uniswap 3 address, token distribution, the router, and then the Uniswap token address. That is basically take up 35% of the total gas consumed on the network. On-chain data that is from the Ethereum's the Etherscan. Let me know what you think about this Uniswap. People talking about Uniswap may go to $100 or blah blah blah. I mean, that's just insane. Anyway, let me know what you think about that. I would love to hear from you. And in terms of another thing, Nexus Mutual, they said they just ran out of DeFi coverage. There's another. There's so many DeFi news, and a lot of news talk about yield farming, and looks like there's another pump and dump scheme. Just like last time it was Sushi Chef, right? And then Sushi Chef just exit out of the project and took all the money basically. And now you have Nexus Mutual. So Nexus Mutual basically is an insurance that insure the smart contract, right? And they have crossed over 200 million in terms of active coverage, and this the huge portion of this surge of the Nexus Mutual insurance is the incentive for the liquidity mining of Safe token. And of course, after all the Safe token has been pumped like crazy, there's a dump, right? And the interesting part is, I don't know, this is insane. So if you want to buy Nexus Mutual, you have to go through KYC, you have to go through the in the Nexus Mutual platform, right? But the thing is, there's another DeFi chef. They get around with this. They thanks to Andrew, the founder of and creator of Earn Finance. So people who are interested to go through the to buy this token without non KYC, they can still get it. Those are underwritten by the Nexus Mutual too, right? And then you have the wrap version. So they issue the wrap version and wrap NXM. And then the web version is a non-KYC version. Those are listing on Binance, Wahubi, Uniswap, Balancer as well. But the thing is, although the value of the web version is pegged against the Nexus Mutual, the NXM, but the total market cap is entirely calculated differently because they're different token. And of course, you also have an insurance chef. Besides, you have a sushi chef, you have an insurance chef. Introduce this farming.insurance. Sorry, I shouldn't laugh, but it's just too much. I mean, this is so interesting in the crypto space. It's like people just jumping to one project to another project, just like how can I say, just a shiny object. You just go from one to one. You want to earn more money. The thing is like the risk versus reward, right? To me, going on all this project, potentially a pump and dump scheme, I would be very careful. But anyway, it's just kind of funny when I see that now you have an insurance chef, and then the farming.insurance. So just to make the long story short, basically after the safe token has been pumped, you can see the safe token has been pumped, and then they start, then they dump the token. So because most of the search from the contract is from the safe token. After the safe token dumped, so it's dragging along with the Nexus Mutual token as well. Then there's a tweet from the insurance chef talking about splitting the change, so it's dumped even further. I think the NXM token, I think dropped from, wait, let me see. I think it's dropped from like $70 some to $40 some, right? Yeah. So anyway, so basically there's a pump and dump, and Safe lost 90% of the value from the high and declining from $4,400 to less than $140 on September 16, which is less than like 48 hours. It's just basically a pump and dump scheme. And then the NXM token is like high from $72 and then now down to around $43. Okay. So anyway, I don't want to go on and on. I think it's like, to me, all this project built on top of Ethereum ecosystem. Why not just buy Ethereum? Okay, just forget about all this puzzling project, like almost different every day. And of course, people are saying, hey, I can get more return, like 10x return from all this altcoin, all this token from DeFi project, blah, blah, blah. But the thing is, you can also lose it all too, right? Like from 4,000 something, the safe token, all the way down to like $140 in less than 48 hours. And another thing is, I know people who are doing yield farming. They basically do not sleep. they're just glued to the computer like 24/7, and then just jumping from one yield pool to another yield pool. Make sure they exit out before the upcoming dump, right? So that's not no quality of life. You have to like monitor, like you only sleep for 4 hours. You basically monitor those yield pool. That's not my lifestyle. I don't think I will that crazy. But anyway, but a lot of people choose to do that lifestyle. Anyway, so this is very interesting. All this I pump and dump, right? So let me know what you think about this safe token, and then the Nexus Mutual, and then the insurance chef. There's so many things coming up that is so crazy. And of course, Kraken got the bank license, and this is from the state of Wyoming. You know, Wyoming is always at the forefront of the cryptocurrency. Thanks for Kaylin. She is the Wall Street veteran, right? And she is at the forefront of the cryptocurrency as well. And Kraken Financial is the first digital asset company in U.S. history to receive a bank charter recognized under the federal and state law. And the good thing is, very interesting. This is really good because they are doing 100% reserve. As a bank, Wyoming law requires Kraken Financial to maintain 100% reserve on its deposit of fiat currency at all times. If every client were to demand withdrawal of their fiat currency at the same time, they have to fulfill each withdrawal immediately without regard to how many loans they have outstanding. So don't forget, in the traditional banking system like Bank of America, Wells Fargo's, whatever bank, they only have 10% reserve. This is per the federal law, right? But here, this Kraken is even much safer because they have to have 100%, not fractional reserve banking system. Fractional reserve banking system is the traditional bank. Like, for example, if you deposit 10,000, the bank only need 1,000 or 10% reserve. Some bank even less, depending on their size. Some even require 5%. So if you deposit 10,000, probably they only need 1,000, at most 1,000 or 1,500 at the reserve. So the rest is fractional reserve banking, basically. So this is really interesting development from the Kraken, and most of I think their strategy is to do online and mobile banking at this time, and hopefully they can do right now, you have to wire money to Kraken. So eventually, hopefully, you can do like some type of ACH transfer directly without wire money, because wire money still costs, fiat money still costs money, right? When you do wire transfer, you have to pay like $50 like per transaction fee and all that fiasco. And hopefully, you can do a direct ACH transfer, the fiat directly to Kraken exchange. And that will be pretty helpful. Just like in Gemini, you can do a direct fiat bank transfer, and as well as Coinbase as well, right? So this is pretty interesting. Besides that, they're going to have overseas expansion, probably in the in Japanese market as well. I mean, I'm not surprised, because in the Japanese market, they are very open to cryptocurrency. A lot of store, they actually, a lot of shopping shops, they actually accept Bitcoin. You can, yeah. But in the US, I don't think that many shops accept Bitcoin, right? Cryptocurrency. So let me know what you think about all this news. I would love to hear from you in terms of sticking with Silica. And right now, they're still phase 0. Seriously, to be honest with you, they're very behind the games. And right now, you can only in KuCoin and Binance. That's all. And why not we can stick in the wallet, right? I put my Silica in the wallet and start sticking, just like in the Tezos. You pick a baker, and then you start earning reward, right? In Tezos, just like CRX as well, and just like CRX and Theta, you can earn the gas token, right? And Neo, you can earn the gas token. You stick your wallet, stick your token in the wallet, you start earning gas. I mean, why not you let that? I mean, Silica is very behind the game, to be honest with you, seriously. I mean, they are very far behind. Very, very behind. I mean, even Polkadot is, I mean, they are, in terms of development, is much, much faster than Silica. Silica is like sleeping right now. Anyway, let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you. Hopefully they have some update for the Silica staking very soon. I mean, this is very slow. We talked about that a few months ago about the Silica staking. So far they stay still in phase 0. Only the KuCoin, your coin in KuCoin or Binance, you can earn the reward. But the thing is, not your key, not your token, period. So it's better you get a hardware wallet and then start staking your token. All right. Let me know what you think about all this fiasco. I mean, there's so many things happen in the DeFi space almost every day. They have almost every project, every few days. You have a shiny objects. You have a whole bunch of like coin coming up, and people are like rushing to do yield farming and all this crazy stuff. Let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, stock market can have inherent risk. Please use your due diligence, and peace out.